Hi, I'm Christopher Atari with Hoover Treated Wood Products, here with Dr. David Boucher. Dr. Dave, we got a lot of questions about PyroGuard, our interior product, and Exterior FireX, the exterior. Which product is appropriate for which application? Is there a way that you can help explain which would be an interior application versus an exterior application?
Oh yeah, that's a good question. So an interior application is all areas in a structure that are within the weather protected envelope, meaning behind the weather resistive barrier. So an exterior wall composed of exterior wall sheathing and exterior framing, but behind or to the interior of the weather resistive envelope would be an interior application. All applications that are permanently exposed to the exterior, like siding or a roof covering or decking, that is also exposed to moisture or used in a wet or damp environment, those would be exterior applications for our Exterior FireX. The interior applications within the weather protective envelope would be for our PyroGuard or interior fire retardant treatment.
And those are defined by the building code.
They are defined in the building code. The real difference with the exterior product is, in addition to meeting all the criteria in section 2303.2 of the International Building Code, must also meet the weathering requirements for exterior fire retardant treated wood. And that weathering requirement is ASTM D2898. So if the product does not change the listed classification after the weathering test, meaning we weather the product and then it's exposed to the Steiner tunnel, the UL 723 or ASTM 84 tunnel, and it meets the flame spread classification for the product, then it can be classified as an exterior product.
Excellent. So again, we have two classifications of fire retardant treated wood, the interior, which is PyroGuard, and the exterior, which is Exterior FireX. And if you log on to FRTW.com, we have an interior versus exterior selector chart, and it should really help in case you have a very specific application with which you had a question. Thank you for your time.